This is what I call the toothbrush. It's made out of bamboo. We even did a laser cut, so I wouldn't even use ink for this. And this
Ah.
like bristles, I mean, you could break this over your knee and throw it in the woods and it would decompose. So there's really like nothing that will harm the earth in producing this. You take your toothbrush and you put it under the sink, and for the magic of Zoom, I have brought just a bowl of
Great.
water. And here is our Turn It On soap brow, which we put in recycled tin. And we even had the logo and everything printed with soy and food grade ink. So again,
Wow.
it can be totally recycled with nothing that will harm it. Also, you can use this tin to put like jewelry in or
Absolutely.
love notes. I'm going to take the soap out for a second just to show you. I'm going to
Well,
just make
show us that, because I think that's incredible. You can literally pop this thing out. Will you
Oh, yeah.
demonstrate? Because I didn't even, until I read the copy on the website, I did not think you were going to take this out. Woo! Okay. It's out. Like, plus you use it as actual soap too.
yeah,
Okay.
use it as actual soap. And then, I love that we kind of put the logo in there. But this can be used not just for your brows. A lot of people use something called edges. If you have the right hair texture, you can put it like along your hairline and to kind of show the edges. You can put it in your beard. You could put it in your mustache. You could put it in your armpit hair. You could put it on your pubic hair, like wherever you want to put it. But also, it's a beautiful soap. So if you just want to wash your body with it too, it will clean you.
Right.
Yeah.
I didn't think about that.
I know.
I didn't think about, like, I have these little flyaway hairs sometimes that drive me crazy. So I'm going to try it on that.
Yeah, definitely. Just use a little bit more than you would on your eyebrow. So I put a little bit of the soap brow on. You just get your toothbrush wet and you make just a few little. I have a lot of product in this one.
Well, and it feels like I don't feel like I really have very much on. I mean, you don't feel it like you would if it were a gel. You know what I mean?
So soft.
Yeah.
So you do a few swipes of the soap. And I like to sometimes just put a little bit of the excess on and start a little bit and then build. But you can instantly see it's already just look compared to from this side to that side.
Yeah, definitely.
What a difference it has in volume. So sometimes I like to just brush them totally up, which gives that super editorial look. And then sometimes I'll just brush the product in. And then I could kind of just brush them down, but you can just style it into a more kind of traditional.
Yeah, that's what I do. I love it. I love it so much.
And then I kind of sometimes like to just smooth it out with my fingers afterwards.
Oh,
okay. Seal it in.
Okay, I didn't know about that. I'll do that.